you're from Europe. Keep safe in Europe. Oh, I see. He dropped the link, and I didn't. Okay, Tutu Talomo, let me pin your. Since you are the first friend who came over tonight, you are the first friend who came over tonight, then I'm going to give you a special treat. Pin your to pin your your link. Lolo Armel, thank you so much. Dave Scott, thank you, Dave, thank you, bro. And Lolo Talomo, Kirala Life, my new friend. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. Orlando Bagibag, thank you so much. Baby girl, thank you so much, my baby. John 27, thank you so much. John 27 TV, thank you, and we love shout out to you. God bless. Thank you for membership of Batang Motorbike Vlog. Maraming salamat. Thank you for trust and for love and support. Anyone else before I will shout out my members? Yeah, Vinny Gonzaga, Tutu Talong, Sis Eregi, Sister Eregi, Bilin, 15 channel, Ebs channel, thank you so much, Sis Ebs, for love and support. So now I will going to shout out my members. To all my lovely members, thank you so much. Nida CM, Sis Nida, thank you for your trust and love. Anging Pay Vlog, thank you so much. One Love TV Mix, those are my members, thank you. Benny Lunsaga, thank you so much. Lunsaga channel, Isay Banania, Mercy Besto, I hope they can renew their membership. Lerms TV Vlog, thank you for your continuous membership. Marcel Bonquinsiho, thank you also well for your membership. RCL Cabrera, thank you sis for your continuous support. Ren Belina, thank you so much. The Motivation Collective, thank you so much. Ate Shawi Lifestyle, thank you for support. Manong Vlogger, thank you for support. The Nature Estonia Mix, thank you for support. Risa Mix, BB Girl Vlog, thank you for your support and for your love of membership. Mitch Vlog, thank you for membership last time, and I don't know where you are now. Kylie and Kinmark, thank you sis for support and love. Maritas Kitchen, thank you for he's my super chatter last time. Borloloy Vlog, thank you so much for your membership and for continued support. But today you are not able to come. Jenny Mix, thank you for Jen Mix CC. Thank you, Jen Mix, Vlog 23, Ship Kitchen. You can also connect to Jen Mix, that's the main channel. Yes, thank you very much to those who have support me because of you. Yeah, you know, they are very good supporters, those friends who are there. But you know, the only thing you can do in return is visit them as well. Like what I advise you to bill the bill, you have to ring their bill, so the notification, so they will notify, it will notify to you when they are having their live streaming, and you can visit them as well. They can help you more, you know, because they will gonna shout out to the views that they are having, the friends who came to the live streaming, like what I'm doing right now. I shouted a friend to help those who are very young. Jen Mixis, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Hindi kaya ta nakakapag-live, Jen Mix. I haven't seen you for a while. Yeah, you are not being notified to me. Thank you so much, sis Jen Mix. And Jen Mix, can we help Ship Kitchen? She is still very young, 200 only. She's only grade 2. If we could give her more bananas of yours, thank you so much. And Ship Kitchen, you can also connect to Gen Mix. Yeah. And continue.